the opposite. Just enjoy this nice slow motion clip how we get to the video. Yeah, welcome back to the vlog. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing. So today I'm up on the beach. Want to walk on the beach. Well, it don't look like a beach still, but the water, the tide gone straight back over there. So I go walk over there and see what go on. How nice is the water. But the water originally comes right here, innit? But it's not there anymore. So the tide is like way back over that bridge right over there. But yeah, so I'm up on the beach today. I go and walk, you know, get that tranquil energy up and just feel that peaceful wind in the morning, quietness. It's around after 8 now. Not really early, but early. So today I go and walk, take it easy, and just enjoy the view. And then I just show you what I go on for the day. So I'm just get some peaceful moment, fresh air. People out to walk and exercise. All the people about exercise and a walk. And I do the thing in it. So I just walk same way and I get some physical exercise and things like that. So I'll show you how I go on. And I just lock in and stay and live in. Yeah, so this is the beach. It's quite nice. It's quite big as well. You see that lady over there feeding the bird. If you can see her, she is right here feeding the bird. And yeah, so just enjoy the beach. As you can see, the tide is like way out there, so the tide is over here. And I walk over there in a bit and just check out what's going on over there. And then but I just continue and stroll upon the beach. Nice and quiet. It's a nice view. It's a bit cloudy today, but it's not rain and it's not that cold, so you can go and manage and just trot through. So walk on the sun. If the tide was back to its normal spot here, I'd have taken my Crocs off. But I'm not take off my Crocs slippers, so I just go and trot on the sand for probably about a mile or so. Straight down to the end down there, so, and then come back. Yes, I'm just walk out upon the beach. So I walk off of the land from out there, so then I walk with the tide, going back way out. So I go out there and see what's going on. So see how deep it is. Finally I touch the water. So I'm in the water now. One thing with this water, we get stuck in it. Yeah, the water feel nice. Early morning, healing water. Just like I go and walk through it and take it easy. Yeah, so as I walk in the water, I look on this the colourful thing here. I said to myself, so so this look like a hook. But I come gonna stop right in front of it. And let me see this. So I'm gonna take this up. And I was right. It is hook. See? Hooks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hook. See that? 6 hook in the water. So I don't know who forget the hook or who left the hook or wherever. But I'm gonna bring you up to land. So somebody else not get jamming at them foot or wherever. See that? 6 hook up on the one line. Yes, I'm at this far out in the water. And the water reached me at this height. Not that far out. And it's not that deep. But still, it does make you wonder how far you can walk. But I'm not going to find out that today. Just I take it easy today, so I'm not going to find out how far we can reach in the water. As I say, water is about this height and foot. I'm at this distance from shore. See where shore is? Shore to the right, so I'm there all the way out, so. Yeah, so the water look calm and nice. A lot of breeze a blow. And it's cloudy. I'm just go and try through the water a little bit. Go out and see the birthday. I'm going to birthday just. I'm going to fly off and reach out there. Yeah, you can see some boat on the water. As you can see, the water got a bit more rough. See? Yeah. The water got a bit more rough. And I see some boats out there. So. Yeah, it looked like I found some jellyfish. I'm not gonna touch it with my hand, but I think that's a jellyfish. There's a few more over here as well. There's a small one there. There's one more there. One more there. One more there. I think it's a jellyfish. It looks like it. Yes, I'm gonna find out what it is with this feather. Yeah, it does look like a jellyfish. Ah. Yeah, it looks like one. Yes, I'm just done walk roughly a mile. So I'm gonna go back here now. As you can see, the beach go all the way back, way out the sun. And then me have to go all the way back out the sun. So we just gonna do some walking, get in a good amount of walk, nice view, and I enjoy myself. So it's been an hour since I walk and walk out of the water and all them things there. So nice view, nice beach. There's a few boats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But a few boats out in the water. Whole heap of house over there. So people in them yard and all type of things, business and things like that. So I'm just a walk on the beach. enjoy the view. So I'm gonna look to go back home, you know. And yeah, so see how I reach back on my yard. Yes, I'm back in a building now. So I'm gonna just cook up some dinner really quick, some rice and peas and brown stew chicken. And then I'm gonna just put some greens on the side and then drink some juice, and that is it for the day. Yes, I mean, I just throw out some rice for the rice and peas. Not really cook too much rice. Yeah, that is enough. Yeah, so right now I got some coconut milk. Make sure the coconut milk go tonight nicely. And then just a coconut milk for the rice. Cook your rice and peas, you have to have the coconut milk in it. So I just put my scallion in it, you know. Or spring onion, whichever one you call it. And then I got my thyme. Put my thyme in it as well. And then I have scotch bonnet pepper. Whoa, pot hot. Scotch bonnet pepper. Put this in it as well. So right now my peas in it already. Peas are going to cook. You got tin peas, so the peas are already cooking it. And then the coconut milk in it. Coconut cream milk in it. So that's going to go on. Yes, so I just put my peas in it and the coconut milk with some water. So the coconut milk will go boil up. Then I got my spring onion or my scallion, whichever one you call it. And then I got my thyme in it also. Wait, thyme there. See thyme there? Thyme there so. Then I have a scotch bonnet pepper. Just stir that around. Make it go and boil up. Flavor go and live in and stay in it. Yes, I'm gonna drop some vegetable cube in our rice and peas. To give it a little more flavor. Because the zaps and just drop them in it. A little bit more flavor that. Yes, so I'm just go and stir this round. Make it go on. Spread around until we got peas in it, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, and the coconut milk and some water. Yeah, so as you can see, pot of bubble, coconut milk, scallion, thyme, and scotch bonnet pepper, and the peanut. I'm not saying peanut, peas. Then I put my rice in it, you know. Yeah, so my rice I cook. I'm gonna cover it with some baking paper, baking sheet, and then I'm gonna just leave that like a steam. Cause the rice already cooked. So I make a steam on the top to get it nice, cook right through. Yeah, so right, so I already cut up my chicken, take the skin off, and then we have some scallion, onion, thyme, and scotch bonnet pepper and garlic. Yes, I'm gonna add in some seasoning now, some garlic powder, a little bit of garlic powder, not too much. Then I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. Then I have some chicken cube. You don't want over seasoning food, make it become salty.
So you have to make sure say you know the seasoning what you use. Some vegetable cube. And that is it. Yeah, and some little bit of multi-purpose, and that's it. Yeah, so I'm just rub in my chicken with my scallion, onion, thyme, garlic, and scratch up any pepper, and some all-purpose seasoning, vegetable cube, chicken cube, and so forth. So now I'm gonna just put it straight to a pot. Not even left it for marinate, but I'll put it straight in a pot. But before I do that, I'm gonna add some browning. You don't want to add too much. Yes, so my oil I go and heat up. I go and get hot. And then the rice over here, so the rice already cooked already. Turn it off already. Show you what I go on like this. Yeah, rice already cooked. Taste some it already. Tastes good. Cook and everything. So that I will go and circle right so. Then I go wait for this oil to get hot. Then I go throw in the chicken. I throw in all the chicken. I just want to get this cooking over with quickly. And then roll about and relax. So I throw. Usually I fry the chicken them one. But today I just throw it all out in a pot. As you can see, you have browning saucepan, and then you have all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, chicken cube and vegetable cube, and little chicken seasoning as well. And then you have scallion, thyme, onion, and garlic again. And that I go and marinate probably about 10 minutes or so. Till the oil get hot. Hey look boy. Yeah, so this is what the food I look like now. So just an update on it. So me cut up some where is it? Yeah, I cut up some potato and put in it as well. And then add local flour for make the gravy thick. See? Make the gravy thick. And then I just turn it down on low heat and just leave it for go and cook. So this is what I look like now. Nice and ready. Just leave it at that. And that is it.